Good morning, everyone. In the electrostatic chapter, the next point is capacitors and capacitance. Capacitors and capacitance. In 11th standard, we already studied the resistance, and the capacitance. In the 11th standard, resistance or resistor is the electrical device or component which is allowed to current to pass through it and dissipate heat but cannot store the electrical energy. Or this resistor is the electrical device to resist the current is flow through the conductor, but it does not cannot store the electrical energy. So there was to need to develop a device that can store the electrical energy, and then the capacitance is formed or produced, in which this capacitor, it is the electrical component. It is the most common arrangement for these consist of set of conductors having charge on them and is separated by the dielectrical medium. That means in this diagram we shows a two conductor, first conductor and second conductor. In first conductor, positive Q charge is present and negative charge are on the second conductor. The potential difference is capital V. Potential difference is capital V, and it is equal to the plus V1 minus V2. This V1 or V is the potential difference across these two conductors, and which is separated by some distance, and the separation is filled with the dielectrical medium. And then the potential difference V is the equal to V1 minus V2, because of on this second conductor negative charge is present, therefore potential is negative V2. Then the potential difference V is the work done to carry a unit positive charge from conductor second to the conductor first with respect to the field. What happened in this system? This unit positive charge is carried from the conductor second to the conductor first against the field, and this potential difference is the work done. This is the work done. As this work done will be the proportional to the charge Q. This work done or this potential difference is the work done, and this work done will be proportional to the charge Q. That means the potential V is directly proportional to the charge Q. That is, V is directly proportional to the Q. And the ratio Q upon V is equal to constant. Q and upon V is constant. This constant is denoted by capital C. This constant is denoted by capital C is equal to Q upon V. This C is equal to Q upon V, and this C is called as capacitance of that capacitor. What is the capacitor? Capacitor is the arrangement of two conductor which is separated by some distance and the filled with the dielectrical medium. The same equal charges but in opposite charges. बरोबर, त्यामध्ये कसे आहेत इक्वल चार्जेस आहेत पण ते कसे आहेत एकमेकाचे ऑपोजिट आहेत, पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह. दिस इज द कॅपॅसिटर and this C is equal to Q upon V. It is the formula for the capacitance of capacitor. It is the very important formula. C is equal to Q upon V, that is charge per potential difference. Q upon V, it is the capacitance of that capacitor, and this capacitance of capacitor C is depend on the size of that conductor, shape of that conductor, and the separation between these two conductor. The SI unit of this capacitance is farad. The SI unit of this capacitance is farad. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 volt. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 volt. Therefore, from this formula of 1 farad, we define these definition of the farad, concept of 1 farad. The next definition of 1 farad is a capacitor has a capacitance of 1 farad. That is, if any capacitor has capacitance is 1 farad when if the potential difference across it rise by 1 volt. When if the potential difference across these conductor is rise by 1 volt, and when this 1 volt is rise when 1 coulomb of charge is given to it, when coulomb of charge is given to it, and that is the 1 farad कॅपॅसिटन्स ऑफ दॅट कॅपॅसिटर. म्हणजेच काय, जर एखाद्या कॅपॅसिटरचं कॅपॅसिटन्स हे जर 1 फॅरेड आहे असं आपण म्हणू, केव्हा ज्या वेळेस त्या कॅपॅसिटरचा पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स हा 1 व्होल्टने काय होतो, इन्क्रीज होतो, राईज होतो. तो केव्हा राईज होईल, ज्यावेळेस त्यातून 1 कुलम एवढे चार्जेस काय होतील, फ्लो होतील किंवा त्यामधून पास होतील. दॅट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 फॅरेड. But the 1 farad is the big SI unit of that capacitance of capacitor. Mostly uses the some multiples of that unit. The most commonly used units are 1 microfarad, 1 nanofarad, 1 picofarad. That is 1 microfarad is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 farad. 1 microfarad is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 farad. 1 nanofarad is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 farad, and 1 picofarad is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 farad. This is the most common use of these SI units of the capacitance of capacitor. Then the next point is uses of capacitor, in which we firstly studied principle of capacitor. What is meant by principle of capacitor? In this figure, we consider a two plate P1 and P2. But the P1 having positive charge, its area is capital A. Then the potential be capital V on the plate P1. On this plate P1, the potential is capital V. Then this capacity of this plate P1 is C1 is equal to Q upon V. By the formula of capacitance of capacitor, C is equal to Q upon V. Therefore, the C1 is the capacity of plate P1. Therefore, we can write the C1 is equal to Q upon V. Q is the positive charge on the plate P1 and V is the potential difference on the potential of plate P1. Then now we consider the another insulated metal plate P2 is near to plate P1. By induction, a negative charge is produced on the plate P2. The negative charge is produced due to this positive charge on P1 by the induction. And then the near another face of the P2, the positive charge is also induced by that negative charges. By the induction, the negative charges is produced by these positive charges on the plate P1. And similarly, the another face of this plate P2, positive charge is induced due to the negative charge on that plate P2. But this induced negative charge lowers the potential of plate P1. This induced negative charge is the lowers the potential of the plate P1, and this positive charge is induced positive charge raises the potential of this plate P1. Then as the induced negative charge is closer to P1, it more effective. Thus, there is a net reduction of potential of plate P1. Due to these positive charges induced on the another face of P2, due to these negative charges, the potential of P1 is reduced because of its potential is also increases due to these induced positive charges. Then what happen? These suppose the another face in this figure B, the another face of plate P2 is connected to earth. Due to this connect to earth, the all induced positive charges is free to move to the earth. Free to move to the earth. Due to this connection, due to this, the connect to the earth, what happened? Its capacity of P1 is stable or also increases. This positive potential of plate P1 is also increases due to the connected another face of P2 to the earth. So then suppose the V1 is the potential on the plate P2. V1 is the potential on the plate P2 due to the charge negative Q. Due to the charge negative Q, then the net potential on that whole system is V1 V minus V1 V minus V1 because of the potential of plate P1 is capital V and the P2 the potential is V1, but the another face is connected to the earth, therefore potential of the plate on the plate P2 is minus V1. Then the capacity of plate C2 is equal to Q upon V minus V1. V minus V1. The whole capacity of plate P1 and P2, that is the capacitor. That is the capacitor. The two parallel plate P1 and P2 on the another face of plate P2 is connected to earth. This system is called as capacitor. This system is called as, this arrangement of the plate is called as the capacitor, and this C2 is equal to the capacity of the plate is equal to Q upon V minus V1. From these two equation, the C2 is greater than the C1. C2 is the greater than the C1, that is the capacity of that arrangement is greater than the capacity of this arrangement. And when the capacity is increases of this figure B, because of the another face of P2 is connected to earth. Thus, the capacity of a metal plate P1 is increased by placing an identical earth connected metal plate P2 near it. When they increase the capacity of plate P1, when the another plate P2 is connected to earth. Thus, the earth connected plate increases the capacity of metal plate. Increases the capacity of metal plate. Its symbolic shows as it is. The symbol of this capacitor is as it is. If the conductors are plane, it is called as parallel plate capacitor. If the conductor are plane, then this arrangement is called as the parallel plate capacitor. We are also have a spherical capacitor, cylindrical capacitor, etc. the based on the shape of conductor. Then the next point is the combination of capacitor, in which we see the capacitor in series arrangement, capacitor in parallel arrangement.